Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, September 12th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had another frustrating day today. We basically broke even, small losses. Um, but, we're almost halfway through this month, and we do not need break even days. I need big winning days. And it didn't happen today. So I am a little bit frustrated. You can see here the Dow pattern is ridiculous. I mean, it's just not going anywhere. Starts out lower, then it goes way up here, and then we're gonna. This is almost like new highs up here, and then it breaks, comes down, goes negative, and ends up closing up 28 points. Oh, that's averages out basically sideways. We had negative $1,000 on the close yesterday. I was most pleased this morning, right after the open, that negative $1,000 was up to positive $7,000. So I thought, whoopee, hey, we get out of this and make some money today. And then everything started to fall apart. And we ended up closing out negative $500. I guess that's improvement over the negative $1,000, but as I say, we went from being positive 7,000 to negative 500 in about 30 minutes at the beginning of the day. So that was a sour note. We got into 7 new positions today, 3 positive, 4 negative, and carrying negative $400 going into tomorrow. So there's obviously no big losses here, but like I say, I'm not interested in break-even days. I'll show you 3 stocks to kind of explain what happened. This first stock is California Resources Corporation. We had bought this yesterday with about 2 hours to go. It closed slightly against us, but then it popped up very nicely right on the open. That's when I'm taking that screenshot showing $7,000 profit overall in all our stocks. And then it basically does a mini crash there the first 30 minutes. And so we go from being positive $2,000 up here to positive $300 down here. So kiss off $1,700 there, and then you multiply that several times. That's what happened to our profits today. I'll show you one more like that. This is Grubhub Incorporated, or Grub. We bought this on a big pop-up yesterday right on the open. We hung on to it. We actually had some profits there on the close yesterday, and then it pops up right on the open. Again, that's where I took that $7,000 screenshot, and then the dang thing just collapses. We get up stopped out down here. So we've gone from being $1,000 in the black up here to being $1,300 in the red down here. And this happened in 4 or 5 of our stocks. So that's where all our profits went, unfortunately. I won't leave on such a negative tone. I'll show you the one good stock we had, and I've been talking about it. This has been such a good stock. I can't believe it. I wish all our stocks were like this. This is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated. It behaves itself so nicely. We bought this today, probably 3-4 hours in. It just kept going there, closed near its high, and we're holding positive $1,500 in Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated. So anyway, frustrating day. I'm not going to go crazy over it. Trading is always frustrating. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.